In this video, I'll show you how to limit background processes on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down until you find the Background Process Limit option. Tap on Background Process Limit to view the available options. Here, you can choose how many apps are allowed to run in the background. Options may include standard limit, no background processes, at most one process, at most two processes, at most three processes, or at most four processes. Select the option that best suits your needs. Limiting background processes can help reduce memory usage and improve performance on some devices. However, it may also affect notifications and background activity for certain apps. If you experience any issues, you can return to this setting and switch back to standard limit. That's it. You have successfully changed the background process limit on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.